Alright, so this is a decent sized screwdriver. So this is the tire that we've been running. We keep doing terrible things to it. Just stab it with some couple screws. We're going to stick a giant screwdriver in it here. I don't know, this might kill it, but let's find out. We're just going to do terrible things with this tire until we can actually... That's great, look at that. Okay, so... Yeah, okay, so basically... Okay, so we've really just stuck this thing all the way in there.
Do you have air?
We're going to put some air in this thing. It's going to take... I want to get really... Let's really get that thing down inside. There we go. Okay. Now. So right there we go. I think that's pretty clear that that's a serious... that's a pretty serious problem. So... We're going to go ahead and air that up here in a little while, and we'll see if it holds air still. My guess is they're pretty terrible, but I'm thinking it... I mean, I feel confident. This stuff's probably going to go ahead and hold air. Let's find out.
That is a serious injury. Wow.
Austin, come hold your normal sized hand over here. I've got fat sausage fingers, so hold that up against your hand. It's a pretty good sized screwdriver. It's the size of a, you know, what is that thing? Maybe a third of an inch across?
Definitely a P4, P5.
Good size, you know. It's a good zombie stabber.
After stabbing this with a giant screwdriver and filling it to 40 psi, you can see how much Dillo we've lost. It's negligible. Very, very little loss. Already sealed.